Ladies and gentlemen, this is the final boarding call for Air Canada Flight 8621.
You all right?
Yes, sir.
Good. I didn't recognize you got your fresh new glasses and your nice tight cut.
Yes, sir.
Good. All is well. How are you doing? I'll be sure to see her.
So you been all right, Mr.
Hey, I'm doing well. You?
See you in here.
All right. We're good to be seen. Good. I appreciate you both.
Yes, sir.
Good. Awesome. All right. Take care. When I come out here, either I'm here for a meeting or I come and check on a particular issue, or sometimes I just want to come lay eyes on our site, our team members, and throughout my time here, of course, got to know several of the team. There was a time when there's a young lady, she didn't seem like she was herself, just felt down. I said, talk to me, what's going on? And she said, my mom is not doing well. And what I try to do, I want to offer them a word of encouragement, offer them some support. Those are the times I try to be very prayerful. God, give me the words to speak. Sometimes folks just need a little bit of love. At the end of the day, I want their time and season here to feel love. The good thing about Convene is, especially I'm a relatively new CEO, and so I thought it was very important that I try to invest in myself and try to grow, and just being to have that peer group that we can talk about issues with and talk about circumstances. And at the end of the day, it's the whole iron sharpens iron. They help to keep me accountable. I, along with the team of the other guys, try to keep the others accountable. It's been a very rewarding experience. It helps to remind me of stewardship. All of this belongs to God.
I believe Mark has a great heart. He wants to see his employees be successful. He will ask, how my wife's doing, how my kids doing, certain goals that I may have personally and business-wise. He'll give his input or opinion or expertise on which directions I should take. I think he wants to see others grow and be successful like him or better.
He treats everybody the same to me. He comes in, he speaks, you let him know who he is. If you need me, here's my card, you can call me anytime. And he has that kind of relationship with the people. He cares about you. I was out sick and he said, I didn't know you was out sick. Nobody told me. So when my father died, he called me every other day to make sure I was okay. I couldn't believe that the top dog would call,
My goal is for whatever your time and season here at CSM, it adds value, right? It's beyond the check, beyond the compensation, because it's not about me. It's allowing God to be represented through me here.